Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering what is convolution in speech processing. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, convolution means applying filter to our voice. Whenever we apply filter to our voice, we can modify our voice, we can reduce noise, we can improve speech clarity, and we can do various other operations. So, convolution is a fundamental operation in speech processing used to combine a speech signal with a filter. Speech signal is nothing but whatever voice we speak. We call it as speech signal, which is in the form of wave. So, our speech signal is combined with filter in order to get output. We call that output as convolution. By using this filter, we can perform various operations on voice, like we can change voice, we can reduce noise and improve speech clarity, and we can also analyze it. That is nothing but we can understand meaning of that voice. This is basic formula of convolution, that is y of n is equal to x of n into h of n, where y of n is nothing but output. Whatever output we get, that is y of n, and our output is combination of speech signal, which is x of n into filter. Filter is h of n. Guys, whenever we speak, because of surrounding environment and traffic, there will be a lot of noise, and we can reduce that noise and improve speech clarity by using convolution. Next, I will explain some of the important applications of convolution. The first one is filtering. Filtering is nothing but applying filter to our speech so that noise will be reduced and speech clarity will be improved. Basically, we can apply three types of filters to our voice. They are low pass filter, high pass filter and band pass filter. Low pass filter will keep low frequency, that is nothing but low voice, and remove high noise. Example, it will remove this sound. And whereas in high pass filter, it will keep high voice, that is nothing but it will keep high frequency and remove low noise. Example, fan sound. So low pass filter will keep low frequency voice and high pass filter will keep high frequency voice. And whereas in band pass filter, we can keep our selected frequency. It is combination of both low pass filter and high pass filter. Guys, by using convolution, we can also extract features. For example, picking important information from speech. Guys, whatever we speak, computer cannot understand that voice. So computer can understand our voice indirectly by saying waves. So whatever we speak, all are represented in the form of waves. And based on these waves, computer can understand our voice. So whatever we speak, it is converted into frequency. So based on this frequency, computer will understand our voice, where we call this picture as spectrogram, where one side there is time, at particular point of time, what we speak, it is frequency. Guys, by using this spectrogram, computer will identify various things like what are phonemes and what are words. Phonemes are nothing but basic sounds. For example, let's say I will speak hello. If you consider hello, H is in one pattern, E is in one pattern, and LELLY is in other pattern. So we call all these small sounds as phonemes. And second one is words. All these phonemes are combined in order to get word. Convolution has small filter in order to scan the spectrogram. And third one is speaker recognition. Guys, by using convolution, we can identify various voices. Guys, for example, if you consider various people, each person will speak in different voice and each voice is represented in different pattern. For example, my voice pattern is different and my friend voice pattern is different. So convolution can detect various voices. And fourth one is room effect. We call it as echo. Guys, convolution model can add echo, that is nothing but room effect. For example, if we speak in empty room, there is lot of voice. In big hall, our voice will reflect. We can add that echo effect to our voice by using this convolution model. Guys, we also use convolution in convolutional neural networks. Shortly, we call it as CNN. In order to design deep learning models, where computer will scan our voice and understand complete voice. And it can also find various kinds of patterns in our voice. So in CNN, we can use various kinds of filters in order to scan our speech, understand our speech and find various patterns. For example, if you consider voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, they will understand our voice. So CNN is used in speech recognition and voice assistants.